What if I told you that just $100 a week could turn into $100,000 without winning the lottery, without a high-paying job, and without doing anything complicated? Sounds fake, right? That's exactly what most people think. And that's why they never even try. But here's the scary part. The people who do understand this quietly build wealth, while everyone else stays stuck. My name is Jack, and I spend way too much time thinking about the small money habits that completely change your financial future. If you're someone who feels like saving money never really makes a difference, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're breaking down how saving just $100 a week can completely transform your life. Let me tell you about two people. Same age, same income, same lifestyle. Person A spends an extra $100 every week on food delivery, random shopping, things they don't even remember. Person B does one thing differently. They save that $100. That's it. Nothing crazy. Now here's where it gets really interesting. After 1 year, Person B has $5,200. After 5 years, over $26,000. And after 10 years, over $52,000 saved. But wait, this is the part most people don't expect. If that money is invested, even at a simple 8% return, that $52,000 doesn't stay $52,000. It grows to nearly $100,000. And here's the moment that changes everything. Person A doesn't even remember where their money went. But Person B? They now have enough money to change their entire life. Same income, same starting point, different decision. Look, here's what most people don't realize. We don't fail because we can't save. We fail because we underestimate small amounts. $100 feels small, so we ignore it. But small money, repeated consistently, becomes life-changing money. Now you might be thinking, I don't have an extra $100 a week. But look closer. That's $14 a day. That's one meal, one habit, one unnecessary expense. It's not about income, it's about awareness. This is where it gets really interesting. The magic is not in the amount, it's in consistency. Because once you build the habit of saving, you don't just save $100. You start increasing it. You start investing more. And suddenly, you're not just saving money. You're building wealth. Here's what most people don't realize. Wealth isn't built in big moments. It's built in small decisions, repeated over time. So start this week, not next month, not when you earn more. Start now. Save your first $100. Because 10 years from now, you won't regret saving it, but you will regret spending it. And that one decision could be the difference between staying broke or building a $100,000 future.